2. Early morning vibe. I'm here waiting on Printer to start out the car. I have some stuff to do. I might have to go and do some painting, but I'm waiting on Printer. I'm an early riser already, so I'm here riding my scooter. Unfortunately, the car is not buff yet, but I want to be consistent with the videos, so I figured I'd come out and do something on the car. Got a package today. Prento car is giving some issues. He was trying to get here yesterday, but his car wouldn't allow him to. You know what I mean? So he's trying to get his car sorted out, and then he would come and buff the car. I opened the package already. Got the hose for the intake filter. I don't know if you guys remember that hose had a weird, crink in it. Is it called a crink? Like it's weird. So I'm gonna remove it. There's supposed to be a car show this weekend. I would love to take this car to a car show, but I need it to get buff first, and I need, once it's buff and I get some place for it, I'm going hard to get this car registered soon. So hopefully by the end of this year, this car will be registered. It's not a overnight process. We have to get the right people on it and get this thing done. But I don't know if I need to put this car outside a little bit, because the space around here very, 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 very close. But maybe I'll be able to do it. Let me see. Yeah, it's a lot of space. Lots of space. The good thing is I won't use these clamps. I'll use this. This one comes with some clamps inside. This one comes with some easier clamps to remove. Yeah, one thing though, this looks really big. I think I got the wrong hose. That's the right hose, Well, it can work. I think it's a little bit bigger than this one, but it can work. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's remove this one. I might have to cut this though, for sure. So like I was saying, this hose, it's like this. It's supposed to be straight. Well, not supposed to be crinkled. From where they gotta crush up. I don't know. I don't even know the word to use. You guys can choose a word. But yeah, this has to cut. I'm gonna use some tape to see if I can get a straight cut. I don't know where I'm gonna cut yet. Alright. Pause alarm, guys. Pause alarm. Here we go. This makes more sense. Tighten this. This makes more sense. Alright guys, so while I was at it, I took the time to put on some gold heat wrap on this to make it look, a little nicer. Yeah. Some gold in the engine bay, deflect some heat. To get to everything. trying to figure out where else I could put some gold wrap, but for now we leave it at this. Maybe we'll have to pull down the car to do the entire firewall, but this is fine for now. So we're looking a lot better now. We left from this and now we're at this, so looking a lot better. I think I can put a piece right in this circular area in the bonnet. Yeah, let me do that. Looking for something round to measure this up. It's going to work. As I said, we're not perfect, but we'll make it work. We will make it work. We're not wasting anything. We'll find something to do with this. What? Some of the air. Alright, this have some little bubble in it, but not too bad, you know. For something that use the some little bubbles in it, but I'll work with that. Not too bad. I know it was just something simple, but I have some more of the gold eat wrap. Was something simple, but you know, whenever you can get to do things like this, I feel a lot more comfortable knowing that I got rid of that hose that could have been, you know, that could cause, you know, some issues, you know, in the future. So that's out of the way. And like I said, we need this car to get buffed. After it's buffed, you know, I'm gonna put on all the badges and, you know, it will be complete. Whatever else we're doing to it is just upgrades. You know what I mean? Anything else should be upgrades. So upgrade the cams, upgrade the diff, upgrade the head, you know what I mean? So we need this car to just be finished driving, you know, and, you know, we just move to upgrades whenever we're ready to upgrade the car. That's gonna be it for today, guys. Real quick video. Just wanted to share that we didn't get the car buff as yet, but I wanted to keep, you know, posted on the channel. I was doing some painting this morning, so I look a bit rougher than usual.